update on GITCOIN. It made the move I said it was gonna make. We finally broke and went to an all-time high. So as y'all can see, we had our first spike here, and like from the initial drop, had our first spike here, second spike here, and then like I always say, the third time, boom, broke through. Now we up here and we're about to repeat the process. But it came down to retrace it, basically hit this 20 EMA on the weekly chart. So on the daily, you see this dramatic drop. I know that was ouch for anybody that got up in that thing, but like I said, we gonna come up and test this range and then come back down for that retrace. Like I mentioned, and right here on the daily, we coming back on. This is the 50-day. We coming down and touching, so we could actually continue our way back up. As you can see, this was a resistance right here before. Uses support for a slight bit, but it was a resistance, so we should be using support this time around. So let's hit this 4 hourly. 4 hourly could possibly still drop more because I don't see why not. Everything else actually came down and hit the 200 EMA, and it should come down and hit the 200 EMA also. And if it was to do that, they'll be right here using that support, exactly where the 200 at now, but I'm pretty sure we'll get a spike below, and it should be right here around the $9.40 range. It's a possible low. And if it did drop down there and spike a little lower, it's definitely no lower than right here, the $9.10 range, because there is a doji right there. It definitely cannot go below that. And also that is what they use as support right here before the initial takeoff we recently just had. So this is definitely the absolute low, $9.10. No possible way going below that from what the chart is showing. But it can possibly come down to $9.40 though, like I mentioned, but no lower if it was to drop below. So me technically, I don't think it's finished dropping just yet. So it's going to be a little off from the other coins, because some other coins, a lot of coins seem as though they about to reverse soon. But this one right here still got a little ways to go to hit this 200 EMA and to continue its way back up. Yeah, cause I see no reason why I shouldn't hit the 200. Might as well. But once we come down there after the lows, that's when we repeat the process. We're going to come back up here, and we're going to finally, test this range around the $12 range. And we got to, see from there. But we will have a fast move up once we do get a reversal going on. It's just dropping because, the rest of the market's dropping. Right in the middle is supposed to be making this run. So after the drop, we're looking for this number next. $12.25. Retrace, then we should get a nice move, a real good nice move, and bounce completely out of here, back up here to $17, and we'll make our slow trend back on up to the $30, and we'll test that. But like I said, let's wait for the complete retracement, and then we wait for it to come back up here, like I say, around the $12 range, and then wait for the bounce off the 100, and that should be a nice move. And we repeat the process. But yeah, anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. You're growing and make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.